As Tesla persists in innovating and catering to the pragmatic demands of its customers, investors ought to think about grabbing shares at advantageous prices, like $15, in anticipation of a possible price surge fueled by heightened demand and market assurance regarding Tesla's sustained sustainability. With this event, it is anticipated that Tesla will continue on its upward trajectory. Therefore, investors hoping to profit from the company's future growth potential would be wise to purchase the stock at $15. Consumers are beginning to recognize electric cars, EVs, as viable alternatives to conventional combustion engine vehicles as they develop into useful everyday utilities. As a leader in the EV industry, Tesla has been instrumental in bringing about this change by demonstrating the practical advantages and possibilities of electric cars. This shift is reflected in Tesla's market strategy, which aims to lower the cost of EVs and boost their visibility in public spaces to encourage broader adoption. Tesla wants to expedite the shift to sustainable transportation and democratize access to electric vehicles by utilizing economies of scale and lowering production costs. Tesla's innovative approach to marketing and brand development is shown by its amazing performance without the use of traditional advertising. Rather than depending on traditional media for its promotion, Tesla uses cutting-edge tactics like the introduction of new models to raise awareness and build buzz. Tesla's emphasis on constant product innovation and utilization of state-of-the-art technology not only grabs consumers' attention, but also cultivates a strong sense of brand loyalty. With this strategy, Tesla will be able to stay ahead of the curve in terms of industry developments and sustain a solid relationship with its growing customer base, which will accelerate its growth trajectory going forward. This unorthodox strategy not only reduces expenses, but also strengthens Tesla's reputation as a progressive and creative business. Tesla has revolutionized the marketing strategy used by the automobile industry and shown the value of disruptive branding techniques by allowing its products to speak for themselves. Tesla's organizational competency and leadership are being discussed in relation to Elon Musk's management style and the company's decision-making process. Elon Musk's management style at Tesla is sometimes compared to that of a startup, with a dynamic and inventive culture. With this strategy, Tesla has been able to surpass expectations and reach milestones in the automobile industry that were previously unthinkable. Regarding Tesla's decision-making and commercial management of its vehicles, opinions differ. While some praise Tesla for its adaptability and risk-taking nature, others express doubts about the company's capacity to successfully handle manufacturing issues and fulfill delivery commitments. However, Tesla's leadership's vision and tenacity continue to be demonstrated by the company's capacity to innovate and challenge established automotive conventions. Stakeholders and industry watchers will continue to focus on the company's organizational competency and decision-making as it develops. Tesla is a forerunner in the automotive and energy sectors due to its unwavering focus on innovation and willingness to take on high-risk investments. Tesla continuously pushes the envelope of what's feasible, from creating state-of-the-art electric cars to spearheading breakthroughs in battery technology and renewable energy sources. In addition to propelling Tesla to the forefront of its industry, this unwavering dedication to innovation has encouraged the broad use of sustainable technologies. Tesla's focus on high-risk ventures, though, is not without its difficulties and uncertainties. The company's big ideas, like creating autonomous driving technology and branching out into other areas, come with dangers and demand a lot of money. However, Tesla has a history of bringing ambitious concepts to life, which highlights its capacity to operate in hazardous situations and produce groundbreaking inventions. Tesla's emphasis on innovation will continue to be a key factor in determining the direction that energy and transportation take as the company moves forward with its expansive goals. Tesla's shift in strategy away from a premium. The transition from high-end to high-volume vehicles has been essential to its sustained success. Tesla was able to establish itself as a premium brand that was associated with innovation and cutting-edge technology by first focusing on the luxury market. This tactic was quite successful, opening doors for Tesla to enter new markets and establish itself as the industry leader in electric vehicles. The main problem is those conference calls, which have taken on the tone of Saturday Night Live sketch programs. I mean, you don't get direction or communication whenever you need it since there hasn't been a CFO since he departed in August. We, Musk, and the rest of the team needed to step up for this crucial call, but those present also provided some insight regarding pricing developments, strategic margin pressure, and your role in the process. I glance. A train disaster, in my opinion, would probably be soft. Get ready to be enthralled with Tesla's revolutionary advancements. With their groundbreaking developments in fully autonomous driving and their steadfast dedication to sustainability and innovation, Tesla is always pushing the envelope of what's feasible in the automotive sector. This expert, who highlights Tesla's potential for substantial development and market dominance, forecasted that the company's shares would hit $315. The fun doesn't stop there, though. Come explore the fascinating events taking place at Rivian, the rising star in the electric vehicle industry. Focusing on eco-friendly design and efficiency improvements, Rivian is making a name for itself in the market for sustainable transportation and enthralling audiences with its innovative style. Thus, take a seat, unwind, and get ready to learn, be inspired, and have fun. We would prefer you to click the like and subscribe buttons before continuing. Here at Tesla Stock News, the possibilities are limitless and the future is here. Now let's get started. According to analyst Dan Ives, Tesla's stock will rise and reach $315. Despite this optimistic vision, Tesla's communication has recently faced difficulties that have been compared to Saturday Night Live comedy, since the company does not have a chief financial officer. An 80% sell-off that was ascribed to communication problems, rather than underlying concerns, has resulted from this lack of transparency. Audience, while this may appear to be a difficult time for Tesla, cling on. In the upcoming 6 to 12 months, when Tesla introduces more reasonably priced cars and progresses in autonomous technology, the story may change. For Tesla investors who seek comfort in more reliable assets such as Nvidia and Microsoft, it's a wild ride. But keep in mind that it has always been a bad idea to wager against Tesla. Speaking of investments, well-known financier Cathie Wood recently bought $1.3 million worth of Tesla shares, demonstrating her continued large stake. With regulatory clearances in Europe and the prospect of fully autonomous beta releases, Tesla's expansion prospects appear promising. But don't let the excitement end there. Hold on to your hats. Cathie Wood provides perspectives on the relationship between innovation and changes in the economy. She makes a suggestion on something that might ignite Tesla's upcoming significant surge. Wood's analysis highlights how disruptive technologies, such as autonomous driving and electric vehicles, will play a crucial role in transforming transport in the future. Investors, having recognized the revolutionary potential of these advancements, are well positioned to profit from Tesla's sustained development trajectory. In regulatory news, Tesla severs connections with the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries in Australia, citing false information about claims made about carbon emissions. In the meantime, Panasonic Energy is thinking about making more investments in Kansas to satisfy Tesla's growing battery needs. It's not all plain sailing, though. A recent attack at Giga Berlin caused a setback, raising safety concerns and forcing a production halt. Radical organizations demanded the factory be destroyed, endangering local populations as well as Tesla's business activities. To protect their staff, Tesla, however, quickly ordered their evacuation. Though there are rumors that things might not improve as quickly as we'd like to see, the financial cost of the closure is still rising and has reached around $1 billion. To protect the rule of law and stop similar instances in the future, the government does, however, pledge to take strong action. It appears that Rowan Patel is assuming the role of PR representative for Tesla, providing information about the Giga Berlin predicament. He reassures the community about environmental worries by highlighting the factory's economical use of water. Notwithstanding this bustle of activity, investors are taking notice of recent stock market movements with a raised eyebrow. The decision by Ross Gerber and Gary Black to sell their Tesla stock has caused a stir in the financial world, igniting discussion and speculation. Gary Black has a history of selling shares, so his most recent action has drawn special notice and raised concerns about how Tesla's stock price may fluctuate in the future.